officers conducting the traffic stop. The driver drove off. Officer caught up with the vehicle again, tried to stop it. The driver refused to yield the officers, led them on a pursuit to the loop and then southbound on 45. As they were traveling southbound on 45, a patrol officer was able to get in front of them, deploy a spike strip. When the suspect saw the spike strip, he stopped the vehicle. Officers then conducted a felony stop. The driver at first refused to exit the vehicle despite officers' requests and demands to exit the vehicle via the loudspeaker. After a few minutes, the suspect did exit the vehicle. He then got out, started dancing on the freeway, acting irrationally. There again, he refused officers' demands to get on the freeway and lay down so that he could be taken into custody safely. At one point, he started backing up like he was going to run away from the scene, potentially endangering officers by running across the freeway. At that point, we deployed our canine to safely take him into custody. The canine was able to approach him, make contact with him, and hold him until officers were able to approach and take him into custody.